Hello everyone, we are back, SVTWRC. Today we're here with another Chevy Spark EV video. The Spark EV is fast, fun, and now affordable on the used market. With an 82-mile range, 140 horsepower, and 327 foot-pounds of torque. The Spark EV uses halogen headlamps, and those headlamps draw a lot of power compared to an LED light. LED can drastically reduce the amount of energy used to power that light. The stock halogens are a 12 volt 60 by 55 watt low beam. This is not a review on these specific brand bulbs. You can get LEDs anywhere now in the market for any light and any combination you want. So just take this as a guide onto how to install them, not a review on this exact product. These are plug and play, so the harness should fit exactly with the 3 prongs on the inside. It features an LED chip, so you should have no problem plugging it into the stock harness. It should have a good clean gasket with a good heat shrink. These LEDs are low beam and high beam in one. Take the whole entire assembly and just twist it to the left and the old bulb pops out. Sometimes the O-rings can get left behind, just pull them off. Now to remove the stock harness from the stock bulb, this gray tab right here has to be lifted up. You can take a fingernail and just kind of try and pry it up. It's like a lock. So once you get that lock down, you have to depress this middle piece and you get that tab under there, the bulb will slide out. I'm going to line it up with the tabs. These were a little snug, but they did fit, and then you can lock that gray tab in. The new bulb pops in the exact same way, but you just have to find those holes where it mounts correctly. So just give it a couple turns in there. Each tab is different, so the bulb will only fit in one way. And they'll sit completely flush with the mount, and then you can just turn it to lock it in. That's just a really nice bright white light. And then we go over to the stock incandescent bulb and you see this yellowish haze or tint that it's got to it. Wow, what a difference. That's incredible. The halogen bulb comes in at 55 watts and the LED bulb comes in at 44 watts. Switching to all LED bulbs could mean some savings in power. The more power you save could equate to more range in an electric vehicle. The dashboard's power meter reads in kilowatts, and this being incremental, the gauge doesn't read in decimal points. As of now, this modification looks better than it saves power. I love the nice bright white light, and the high beam works really well too. Stay tuned for more modifications with this fun little EV car. Thanks everyone for 3,000 subscribers. That means a lot, everyone. We'll be continuing with the channel, and we're going to have some STI videos coming up as well. This is wild. SVTWRC viewers also watch what? Mighty freaking car mods, like my favorite channel. Shane, Devin Nemella. These are like Blake's Garage. These are like big time names that people are watching my videos along with these videos. This is huge thank you to everyone out there supporting this channel, watching these videos.